are you? So, as we have agreed, yesterday we had a session, and I'm aware not everybody could participate, but we had agreed that for the very first assignment that has to do with posting a lesson plan, the one called Creative Thinking, I was going to create Padlet. So, this is a Padlet. Say, nice to meet you, Padlet. 3 Padlets I created for the 3 different groups: innovation, collaboration, and the other one is interaction. That's right. So the 3 of them are here. They are created, and I'm going to post them for you on Canvas. And here's the thing: this is a demo on how to upload pictures and videos to your timeline. You see, it's a timeline. Super easy. You see the plus sign? Here's a model. So, model 1, write a title. And this is the model of a video. And this was a Halloween project. So this is super easy. All you have to do is copy the link from YouTube and add it here. I'm adding the URL that I have already copied. I'm saving it. See that it takes a while to upload the video. Okay, and then it's done. It's published. Then you wanted to publish a picture, okay? What do? Here is another plus sign. You can also do it from here, this big button here, but I prefer this one so that you can manipulate the order. So, model 2, picture. So, cast of the Little Red Riding Hood. So what do? You upload the pictures. I am doing it from my computer, so I'm picking the file that I have already left on my desktop. Open, so that the file uploads, and here is the picture. This is the way our layout is going to be like. Okay, guys? So let's make sure to keep a record of this process, okay? Thank you very much indeed. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.